Welcome. Let's look at question 2 under factorizing quadratic expressions. I am Andrea Woodhouse. Remember our motto, any math can be done. Now, let's look at our first question. 6y squared minus 5y minus 6. Remember our quadratic form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, let's do our groundwork. Now, first column we have AC, and in our second column we will have B. Remember that A represents the coefficient of y squared, which is 6. B represents negative 5, which is the coefficient of y. And C represents negative 6, which is our constant. So let's multiply A, which is 6, times negative 6, which is C. We will get negative 36. Now let's find two factors of negative 36, which will give us negative 5 if we add or subtract them. Let's start with 1 times negative 36. That will give us negative 36. We cannot add or subtract 1 and negative 36 to get negative 36. So let's continue the search with 2 times negative 18. That's negative 36. However, we cannot add or subtract 2 and negative 18 to get negative 36. So let's use 3 times negative 12. Then again, the 3 and the negative 12 will not work. Let's try 4 times negative 9. So that's negative 36. And 4 minus 9 is indeed negative 5. Or negative 9 plus 4 is also negative 5. So you can use either negative 9 plus 4 or 4 minus 9 to get negative 5. Now, our next step is that we're gonna rewrite the equation with these two factors in the middle. Now, let's get to it. 6y squared. Now we're gonna use either 4 minus 9 or negative 9 plus 4. Let's use positive 4 minus 9. So it's plus 4y minus 9y minus 6. Now we're gonna group these terms, and we're also going to factor out the highest common factor from each group. So our first group is 6y squared plus 4y. So our highest common factor in this case is 2y. Now, 2y into 6y squared will give us 3y. Now, 2y into positive 4 will give us 2. A positive 2, that is. Now, we have negative 9y minus 6. Our highest common factor is 3. However, we must ensure that in our second bracket, we have 3y plus 2. So in order for us to get a plus in the middle of our second bracket, we need to use negative 3 for our highest common factor. Now, negative 3 into negative 9 will give us positive 3y. Negative 3 into negative 6 will also give us a positive 2. Now you realize we have the same thing in both brackets. All we need to do is to write down the two factors. So our first set of factors would be 2y minus 3 in one bracket, and in our second bracket, 3y plus 2. So now we have our quadratic expression factorized completely. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.